Istg made this one.
I swear to God, I swear to God. Swear to God, I swear to God. I swear to God, I swear to God. Yeah. Alright, I swear to God, this big chop sending to heaven. Up this big bitch and send his ass about 11. You don't even own a gun, you use a knife right as your weapon. Bill Lex step back and got the shoe in niggas' chestin'. You don't even got no cheese while you flexin'. Don't come try to slide, the whole gang steppin'. Ran down on lil' bro, I asked the nigga would he rap. He try to run from the bullets, now this nigga's legs crampin'. He seen a gun, I ain't running like a track meet. The 40 knock a nigga from the front into the backseat. She tryna fuck me in school, she's a class freak. I don't even want the little bitch if the ass free. I just looked at her legs, damn she ashy. Please don't come over here acting classy. You said you wanna smoke gas, you gotta match me. I don't even wanna smoke a booth cause it's grassy.
Damn, seen them niggas getting flashy. Bitch ain't no Uber, we don't pull up in a taxi. Right, go fuck around and get a nigga's ass. Bitch, I'm buying gas off your mans and y'all better not tax me. But your lying ass got no bands and you better not ask. Spin a check, I'ma cash out. We was coming for his neck, now Brody he down bad with his ass out. He ain't gotta act out. Fuck you niggas really thinking I be doing, I don't care, he could pass out.
He could pass out. I up this big bitch and getting fapped down. Make it rain right up in the club cause the clouds out. You don't know lil' Mardoe, damn, you better ask around. Better pass forward. I was driving real fast, being in the Ford. Punch a nigga right up in his face and choking with a cord. Kick a nigga right up on the carpet, I don't like the floor. He moving like a turtle. I don't even drink green, I'm sipping on the purple. Hit a nigga's little chimp face and turn him to a squirtle. Menace to society, hell yeah, you know I like to murder.